Hello students, good day students. You're welcome to our Igbo L2 JS2 revision platform. If you're joining us for the first time, you're in JS2 now, you're welcome. This is a platform where we revise our Igbo work in JS2 Igbo L2. Ọ bụrụ na ị ka na-esonyere anyị nke mbụ, ebe a bụ ebe anyị na-amụgharị asụsụ Igbo L2 JS2. You're welcome. We've been going through some of the topics you are expected to meet in this first term, and one of them is greetings. Otu n'ime ha bụ gịnị? Ekele. You can watch some of our previous videos on Igbo L2, Igbo JS2 L2 revision. You will see it. So where we stop, we're starting with EMUME ndị ọzọ, other ceremonial greetings. EMUME ndị ọzọ, other ceremonial greetings. Ịtụ mama, Thanksgiving. This is a ceremony done to give God thanks of one good thing or the other he has done. Nke a bụ gịnị? Emume a na-eme iji kelee Chineke ekele maka otu ihe ma ọ bụ nke ọzọ o mere. So we're going to look at the greetings and the response, the way we've been doing it. When somebody greets you, what you will respond to. Ekele, greeting, osisa, response. Chukwu emela, God has done it. And your response will be, hey, oh. That's yes. So Inwaka, congratulations. We've been saying this always. Inwaka, congratulations. And your response will be, oh, Imela, okay, thank you. The next one, Ibaliala. Ibaliala, well done. And the response will be, oh, okay. This is somebody coming to visit you after the Thanksgiving. It is not what you're saying in the church or wherever you went for Thanksgiving. These are the greetings and pleasantries you are exchanging with people. Emailer, you have done well. And the response is what? Okay. Oh, okay. The next one, which will be the second we'll be doing today, is Nturu Ugommụta. Nturu Ugommụta, graduation. These are greetings that is said when you meet with someone that have just graduated from one level of education or knowledge or the other. The way you will greet the person and how that person will respond. Look at your note. Inwaka, congratulations. Inwaka, congratulations. And the response will be, oh, Imela, okay, thank you. The next one is, Ibaliala, you have tried. Ibaliala, so what would the person respond to? Oh, Imela, okay, thank you. I hope your teacher said this. The next one is, Jide nke iji. Jide nke iji, keep it up. And your response will be, oh, Imela, okay, thank you. You can also say Ndewo, which is a great general greeting. And the response is, oh. This is where we'll wrap it up for the other greetings. We are just looking at Ịtụ mama, Thanksgiving. I know it's in your notes. Nturu Ugommụta, graduation. The next one we'll be talking about is Mbape Ụlọ, house opening. Mbape Ụlọ, or house warming. Ọzọ bụ echichi, coronation. This is the next one we'll be doing. We're going to stop here. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page. Like our Facebook page. Share our videos. It is very, very important. share our videos, comment, like, so that students that are also in other schools can also join us. Our Facebook and our YouTube channel is still MMÜGHARỊ Elizabeth Kenneth or Elizabeth Kenneth MMÜGHARỊ. Thank you. Ndewo, imela, ya gazie.